Have you ever met someone who has performed in the Olympic Games and the very next day was working on a NASA jet? Our speaker today is an author of Playing Your A Game and absolutely loves raw cauliflower. All right, go ahead and give me a big round of applause for Kantis Simmons.
How would you guys feel if I decided to buy this house for you? If I bought this house for you, how many of you guys will live in it? Okay, let me ask the question again. If I bought this house for you, how many of you will live in it? You're like, I don't really know. Is it a trick question? All right, let's do it this way then. How many of you would buy this house? Nobody? Okay, so we'll go half on the utilities. I'll pay half of the utilities, you pay the other half. Would you still buy this house? Yes, I know, okay. All right, cool. How many of you would buy this house? How many of you would live in this house? Okay. How many of you would live in this house? It's not a trick question. Will you live in this house? They got many bathrooms. Take your phone in the bathroom, as many bathrooms as you want. Right now, with the current situation of the education system and the school district that you work in and the programs that you work with, does your school look like this? Or does your school look like this? I'm not just speaking physically on the outside because I know you work from home. You thought I didn't know. But internally, the processes, the procedures, does it look like this or look like this? Whitney, what's your last name?
Ford.
F-O-R-D?
Yes, sir.
Ford.
Yes.
High five, Whitney. Oh, well, high two. Two. High two, yeah. High two. High two. What's your name, ma'am?
Judy.
Judy. Judy, what's your last name?
Webb.
Webb. Okay. High two. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What's your name, sir?
Greg.
Greg?
Greg.
What's your last name?
McCurdy.
McCurdy. How do you spell that?
M-C-C-U-R-D-Y.
M-C-C. One more time, slow it down.
M-C-C-U-R-D-Y.
Oh, McCurdy. Okay, cool. Ford. Webb. McCurdy. Ford. Webb. McCurdy. What if we changed the school from Reach Charter School to Webb Charter School? What if we changed the name from Reach Charter School to Ford Academy? What if we changed the name from Reach to M-C-C-U-R-D, McCurdy Institute? What am I saying? Whether you live in this house or you live in this house, here's what I'm encouraging you to do. I'm asking you, what's the name of your school? What's the name of your academy? Yeah, we call it Reach, but I need you to take ownership and start calling it your name. You see, if this was Simmons Charter School, believe me, some of the problems and some of the challenges that we're having, it wouldn't be that way. See, when you own something, you take care of it differently when it's yours. I want everyone in the room to start taking ownership of this amazing process that we're all in. See, when you own it, you're gonna take care of it. So regardless of what's going on, regardless of how beautiful things may be, regardless if we may have some flaws in our system, when you now take ownership of it, you start seeing it as Webb Charter School, or Ford Charter School, or M-C-C-U-R-D-Y Charter School, then we can get somewhere.